Yam family Black Queens nkomo ye na na oko women's AFCON na ekoso Morocco na Ghana and as a Black Queens yenso ye jeni no ehya na Saviola said good morning. I just love this man Ayala. Very intelligent man and good in his analysis. Moses, I say beyond the emotions, I think Daniel Henderson is a good addition to Chelsea's squad. Okay. Yeah, the Black Queens in Comono. Na Sadamadi Kaka and a Black Queens, ya near Omaya, from the CAPE VERDE. Ya no more addition so our Group C on answer no. Yeah, game near 5 and you may your bovia. Now you ran on 8 p.m. Now Omaya from the Cameroon and so Mali so no. I'm to me at the Ashisha so. And the group which is Group C no games are and Airbus no and so and no na said the name ya. Ghana for the interest no about Black Queens and CAPE VERDE and so again no and so emu. Now hand of the game no and Black Queens head coach came last. Or in some kakra dia to Jayen Kotie no or say on the Nhyira no I'm wanting to say na fe young family Black Queens game na ho and so and come came last ahead of CAPE VERDE game no any.
Feeling that we are ready for the upcoming game now, of course. Gonna be a tough one. The first one, first time with CAPE VERDE in the WAFCON, so they will for sure play with a lot of passion. We saw the men's team did the same thing in the World Cup. So we expect a tough game, but in the same time we believe in ourselves, and if we do our things, we can hopefully start the tournament with a win. At least that's our goal and target.
Okay. Eti Kimlas, I'll say on the Nhyira no, am I ready? Amo, Erikako share CAPE VERDE and then you may. Now, I'll say idea about Quebema game be difficult. Ediama Ghana, of course, South Africa ha. Women football man born for CAPE VERDE and Kahon. Of course, Ediaba South Africa, Nigeria, Zambia nomne. Sa man team na abo CAPE VERDE and Kahon. Now CAPE VERDE for this is the first time on Ghana ebabo. And the boss are the passion. Omudi rumbo no. And my game a day pa. And you say about my game the bed end or did you say and then on the Nhyira or nobody didn't come out. So by you don't know now omo edia share omaya from say CAPE VERDE. And here coach came last. Now I say target ni na and say obetimi de Ghana Nhyira no a qualify na World Cup and to be to abaso no. Ometi akwa bobi.
I think we're strongly built. The defense has been brutal, I would say. I think there have been clean sheets in 6 or 8 games or something like that. So it shows that we have a clear way that how we want to play and defend. And I know that we're having a team that can go all the way. But we also need to know that there are another like 6, 7 teams or maybe potential 8 teams in this tournament that they are saying exactly the same thing. We need to respect that fact. Targets, I would say. One is to make the group stage. That of course will be the first one. The second goal is maybe in one way the biggest and most important, and is to win the quarterfinal, qualify for the next upcoming World Cup. For the long term, that will be the most important.
Okay, to you see the first target, and it's the Nhyira no about qualify a World Cup. The second target is to win. Aye jumedi no na ono so etimi ade aba efie. Na ohwe Ghana team no ye bro di ba ko pe Chantel. Ono so edina no tum kakra. Yenti no na menko judo usuba for na fe yento discussions no emfa emamo our Black Queens game and also eba so yenti Chantel.
Tomorrow it's important. It's the start of the WAFCON. Those girls were really excited. We've been waiting for it. I think we've prepared really well. We had a good time out here last year. So now we're prepared to come back, do our job, and we've gelled well as a team. We're coming together. We've put the training sessions in, as Coach said. We've got a good fitness coach. He's put us through our paces. We're ready to get going.
Okay, and to Chantal, so the no. Also, on any mianom, abuam hopa, you may, Americosia, CAPE VERDE team, no, and so Obi man, so Morocco. Jude Osubafo, good morning.
Good morning.
I want to say,
Namiado now, swear.
Namiado me where.
You don't care, see,
into a Black Queens and the first game.
Let us see a bedroom, but baby at the red top sports at the Korean. You better work near the
no problem.
Game, no. Rach, sir, indeed, then Minya Kwaya share Malawi and Nigeria. The 10 times African champions. na Misha game no edu ba bi na mani agye the mama ni gye nyina yetia wa ebia me only disappointment had to do with attendance there na enye cry. In fact your share competition the attendance enye cry and only ade baako but rich so ushe game na so interesting say the kind of quality anim say Nigeria for war ne ball na omo ball ne de omo na possess ball no but omo ebo ball na clearly say communication bia any defense midfield any attack unso mo ela kesa de no team and the Malawians were so smart and you know na yala e ball mudi no I say Tabita no obo the ball leono and ope one of the powerhouses about world football and Mamua Olympic Leon eka ho e ho no obo the ball na the man you interested ne say ne sister ne nso e ball the ball Kansas City
US
someone yes US now the aside woman here our results near a bit shocking. But yes, 10 and 11. No more na back counter no ombeku. Who sa telepathy sa synergy who omuntem home. And do abi news Nigeria for omu defender no. She's an aging defender name na escape me kaka. I think the name is Rufat or something. It will be clearly Obre or Teso. Stubborn or Teso. But we reach on sir, only Malawi team no titu sa players 2 year come as many anumi. Only omu ye pa na osai kan omu defender bi Rose Alufandi. Charlie, oh you solid on the masa echo. Only say temwa no. Sa oko NWSL na leg no umo US na. Oko on ma waje MVP no for 2 consecutive seasons on the edge. Apart from that, Nancy the Guardian are top 100 players in the world. Your ranking is sit on only African. None the ranking was so power. It is our first picture no cry in itself. Me are sure say it can be the actual. And Nigerians no for no more to a very difficult situation. Because Rich, the next game or a game against Zambia, maybe you're in Zambia no group. And me no name. The defense of Nigeria mi hu no so ne Zambia sia na against Barbara Banda 6-time African best and no adwuma ye o change it for 6 no nko abomu 4 nti Barbara Banda ipa na onya o si obekum ti Nigeria ne want to a very precarious situation. The reason being that Rich first 2 no na qualified they the next stage the quarter final stage. Say no, by virtue of Zambia and so results are against Egypt no. So when me a match up to sa results no. Now when Zambia ekukusia so and Zambia no trust you me, the likelihood so bet me as Nigeria na at least on the ball draw near very high. And in Nigeria one shot ye be group stages in we no. E bia no mu e free. Rich patch also what's my point na see. When my dear ba kwa na meje no. Say oba e wi ase afa na nyina. You're only 7 teams and since you share World Cup Nasi, who's starting 1991. Consistently, almost a part of it. Nigeria has a few teams no. So you can just imagine say Ocean Nigeria level. Na Malawians and so almost first timers. Na you do almost quite way so. Rich appreciate baby of football na Baba Bedru. But me feel so coach so would have himself to be blamed. Because at a point na me sha debi. Or as is that Oshiola. No Shola at the bench. At a point, Nanko for nearly do almost by 2 goals. No, that's still not the bench. So I was like, who was such a talent? Meaning, say, be not Praga Crabia because unim the level of exposure, the experience, or no Shola and baby, you bet me about.
But you,
yeah, bro.
The last AFCON, no, Nigeria be 10th time. No, Shola, no, bench never.
Apparently, age.
Exactly. So she has not. Or losing the starting point in the team. I check.
That is the point. I get
that is the point I want to.
I know they are losing with that CP. And I'm Michelle Losing who said, a natural right back or pushing it neck or left back. And at the point clearly you could see say or struggle. But me feel say generally, me know na baby a person who say football no air come. And a sad trajectory no and echo because that first year I all about names be. You started football and my ball. And Nigeria, Ghana, no about Cameroon, Mudi. Sa name so na abebo.
Sa later South Africa mo ne Zambia no.
Zambia mo nso baba be wura enti anka de ne Malawi cry there ono onka ho but baby ono nso de football neko. So in a way I'm happy that level of competition a person by game no gradually we seeing it and no na we Ghana nya na de two ho for say against Cape Verde mem fan say a game no a game wa f4 rich pass also what I say any game wa f4 mem fan it now rich competition no the format no as kakra. What's the first of all say Osha competition now? Usually or the past two editions now 12 teams enable. But say the can't find they say 16 teams will be and all be no your 4 teams be on Baba Beshemua. Alma mesem on Mary say Abia or say no qualified by. But rather say 4 teams on Baba Beshemu rate on Baba Beshemu based on their respective rankings FIFA Patroti offer Cameroon and secure qualification. But finally, a never be shame. 66th and no world ranking. No about Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire also, yeah, qualifies no. When your qualification, no. The final stage and also qualifying went to me. But because on also a place 71st, FIFA world ranking, no. I can win a Mali you see 79 and Egypt 95th. And until I who's our nation see because I expansion nearby no and I cap decided say any or share by virtue of ranking na sa name CEO nim so almost no so man qualify credit o ma ba bishim enti na hu omum anya sa nka hu sa name CEO now rich yamra game ne so say ofa keveda on I come here question more draw a lot of inspiration from omo men man ball no ade omo kokoye wo World Cup no and omo deba. Now, when him be so interesting, when him say Cape Verde man, currently you rank you 120th in the world. And on what deba. Now, rich, the Argentina acquired Cape Verde fast man and the breeze. So, that tournament na Cape Verdeans were ranked 116th meboa. And on Baba Argentina and you do answer finally Argentine station. It has so more draw inspiration from it. It's matters Ababawa or no. All her lifetime, what's now Portugal, actually, Sandra Martins, almost forward. No, or Casa, as more can I say, more be funny say, Kevet Bana Waban, or Baba Bidiagro. They are here to make an impact. Returning your okay, me almost say me a Miss Kakra. Sa ranking as someone making, and your ranking now, only say Mali and qualify. The entire makers on qualify, they say, Mali, Echo say Kevet, 1-0 Kevet home. Kevet to Mali or Bamako, Eko could chan for 2. So when you picture no, and Mali, you see, I can't a mal baller to some extent almost so a count, but could chan for 2. Rich. And this same Kevet, only so much say Guinea so as a home. And to almost back into this game, no, so also by virtue of where they are coming from, certainly the impression you would have is that. Okay, very dear, Onyobia. But trust you me, more quality in their food. Meaning, say Ghana, likely say offer yen coach, Kim Lajoringen. Likely say rich, or best started with these names. Say Oba yen goalkeeping department on one, Cynthia Conla, my baba wano say only near power, no, Edda the man, summer text in my barn, or no, any bell honum. Not waba yen skipper, certainly Portia Boache, any Sandra, and Susan Amadia. Omo yebe hu omo the center of defense omo likely so mbepe oba left back on abenya comfort ye boa or left back on now oba right back on no so benya Josephine Bonsu ono so ne bebo left back on at the heart of midfield no base no the expected also provide this shield or provide this stability or the composure eba midfield ababa ni de Jennifer Kujo. These are players in terms of experience they have it. Now, I know about Grace Asantua, one of the most exciting talent about one in the ball. Rich, box-to-box midfielder, tempo setting player, Grace Asantua. Me probably what I said. So I have about only ball.
Oh yes.
Only ball, Grace Asantua, dear bro. Me shana na meniaji.
To chairman.
Oh, Grace Asantua, yes. Into no, say Ocean squad na no about Stella Nyameche. Or also another creative sparker or in team one or be provided a lot of creativity. Oba front 3 now, meaning say Chantal boy, So where the carbon is in it, you bro ni back when you in the from the left side of the wing. A hona baba one ebe boy free. Right wing honum no. Likely say benya Alice Kusi. So no ebe right wing honum. Ne nya Doris Boedua. Another super fantastic talent. So belly the attack. Rich. Game no a game one.
Now this year.
Yes. Ubi Sami say game never cost say any game one air full. But you be winning, name me a bebre, and I'm happy with the other Nigerians. No, at least a be an informed decision as to how I say yes, see and Yama, and also any game one air full. If your baby say a bit of education about it, the attorney say first two, no one say 4 groups. First two, free each group, no, ever caught to the quarterfinal stage of the competition. Say moko na say mo qualify to the next stage semi-finals automatically mo qualify a moko World Cup no na sa last 4 no a omo eba quarterfinals no sa last 4 no omo akwakobo interconfederations playoff into bachelor education kakra when him say Ghana so the first senior national team qualified the World Cup Black Queens so beka ajo abaya obeta saki mo omo time no 1999 so me sure say at least eba senior side ye team back one any warm who ye and this one would disappoint you at this tournament. Rich, a win for Ghana, but I
have a Kaka so na
Kaka me de so. Ne me border ma free. Rich. Omo 80 no mo share no mo this sports at you Ghana no. Have anybody paused to ask? Adentina and some for mu a dispose echi yen di Black Queens echi ewo embana WAFCON no sene nka blasters and kedi omachino nemum no they turn around to support in some for ya omoka say ebia minister na say FM penyim for ebia blasters in some for so here blasters pa Adentina yes sir.
Is it draw okra tournament monko?
Blasters is blasters.
Unya station bi also me di manage.
Good. Yeti hey. Senke member WAFCON nke ba.
Ko bia be so ko bi.
Enka enye ne ba be cheche mu Nigeria ne Malawi o. Nkoko fo hwe. Ke be ye hu live commentary kra. Won so obi won so radio station bi po e posti graphics o be ye Black Queens for commentary. Inti media no so aye blasters media me boa. Kuma ko form penukro.
Interesting you.
Rich, there is no football product about me that to blasters ho. Inti ayana eye nyachum. When you listen to some of our colleagues trying to paint a picture say obi a blaster. Also a blaster but when you to
Black Stars back room training ground.
What also
training.
When go and go from bags and go America some go
training.
America.
Omo Black Stars training never be a man say drop on go.
Black Stars go America go for plane ticket. Black Queens for Morocco, Africa ya obi an go fe.
Me nya sure omo bisa kan grab first when ya visa.
Ah say we can no cricket kitibo how can go for nyintum, but that is the gospel truth. You posti a match day graphic no me we sisi on media to your platform no so on Opta the statistics help England on history be on my very mind Opta say Oba Africa ha Rich emba national team bia ni ho Afro podium no echen Ghana abra on win 7 times and you do semi-final you can medal zone na from first to fourth semi-finalists and you do 7 times 2000 2004 2016 2014 Nhyira we were bronze medalists. Then 1998 2002 2006 and so you finish it as silver medalist.
This time you're good no.
And see what Opta have tried to remind us and say over Africa ha or maybe anyone or then team aben trophy na enso so onji bi da eti se Ghana. But Rich, so o follow your history no so a. Say ye wo mre bi a Black Queens ni betimi a break his agency na is supposed to be around these times. Because you see answer all rank team say born home modern on the African continent. Nigeria will still be number 1, Morocco will come number 2, Ghana will come closely number 3. And even Nigeria any Morocco crown Gaba na eda ya ni omuntem no kakran we've closed it. Ene yebo ma AFCON yi se Jenny na ye kono say you cross a path with either Nigeria or Morocco are rich. Send ye message see ye share big match in the sun or musu ye message show say o share big match pa. And yeti ye the last AFCON ye koye Morocco na ma yanko final we lost to them on penalties. Rich ye share some Morocco team na ye be show mo. When we arrange for friendly match and sana my AFCON as here with Nigeria. Me a sure pa, I'm not saying this for a fact, but me a sure pa say the entire so much number so say Nigeria for them who say we want to play them, get so familiar with them. Now omu na there so you flew up you become a force to reckon with. There is no time I'm OGD or Black Queens who say see betime break the jeans to win your first AFCON or man side. Ebe this AFCON here boy. We just need to start war. And no matter the results, no, yenya win. A 1-0, a 2-1. No matter how the win is, na encame the nest of your Black. Na mo GDS say they've arrived. Na in kakran. Yentimi enfan continue wish the Black Queens all the best. Okay. And then you may about 5 ye kai mo ke man akamunim. E man bong e man AFCON ye kai mo 5 PM. Ghana ye bo CAPE VERDE. Mu me internet TV achi na ye nhwe bi ne ye mompaye. Na yemfanta yemaba wafo na chiti.
Okay. Tilo yemi lines re kakra na yema atiefo no mrem kakra sa na